Hello and what's up guys, and welcome to another pack opening. I think that's the 5th, and I finally learned how I got those like 7 packs. It's probably because I got a, like when you play a ranked match it spins. I got like a present once, and that's how I got those 7 packs. But I got a present again. It's only gave me once this time, but it's okay. What is this? No, it's not for trade. Let's open this. So what does look? Oh, that's pretty useful actually, to be honest. That's awesome. But I need dusclops. This look. Yeah, I need a fleshling. I probably haven't. What the? I've never heard of this Pokemon before. This look. Center. Yay! A Pokemon I don't know. Sandile. Love. Oh, I remember I used this Pokemon and failed. Litleo, cool. Did I get Pyroar? Yeah, I think I got. Yeah, I think I had Pyroar. Flip baby, what the? Duskull. Oh, Duskull. Duskull. Okay, that's kind of weird. Not bad. Not bad. Oh, one. Go on. That's nice, guys. That's nice. Oh wait. Oh, I just need the. I think I just need dusclops. Let's just quickly see if I have it. Well, Pokemon show. Oh, it's okay. I'll just. So I have Blaziken. I never even noticed. I don't think I have dusclops. Let's just look. Dusclops. No, I don't have any. No. Dusclops. Oh, I spelled it wrong. And guys, if you're wondering, like, I'm gonna do a deck building video where I like build my deck. Yeah, I need him. Okay, I think I'll get. This guy seems more creepier than this guy. I'll go with this guy, I guess. I want it. Okay, good. Because guys, like in real life, I did a pack opening and I got an EX. How good is that? Oh, and guys, because it's the end of the video, I'm just gonna do a short story time. Okay. So yesterday tonight, you know those claw machines? They go down and you have to pick your prize. That's kind of hard. I tried to do that. In my first try, I failed. In my second try, I got the bear. And then I went to another machine, and in my third try, and I tried only once, and I got 2 at the same time. So I had 3 tries and 3 pulls. That's pretty great. And my dad, on the other side, he got 2 tries and 0 pulls. Oh, it's usual. Like once I tried 3 times or 2 and I couldn't get any. But like the ones, some are really awesome. So thanks guys, and this might. Oh, sorry. And like I'm just gonna do a deck building right now after this video is published. So thanks guys, and bye.